It's Bonnie. Happy Monday. I am back. I did another organizational video today. I wasn't expecting to get this one done, but I was so excited because, of course, I picked up more shower gel. I told myself I'm gonna not get as much shower gel maybe in 2021. That's not happening. I gotta have the new ones. Oh my gosh, strawberry pound cake. So I decided to organize my current shower gel collection. So I dumped it all out into a pile. Here's the screenshot. I went, oh, I have way too much shower gel. But once I organized it, I'm like, you know what? My stash is under control. I don't feel too bad now. So check it out. This is actually going to be my use it up bin. I love this round bin. I get all my bins at Home Goods. I love them. They're inexpensive. They're really convenient to store stuff in. I can do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 in this bin. So I'm actually going to go through the video. I'm going to post it in a second of how I picked out my use it up for the month. Usually we go through about 10 to 12 shower gels a month. We use a lot of shower gel in our family. There's 3 of us that use the shower gel daily. Sometimes I'll, wash my hands with it if it's on the sink in the bathroom, just because it smells good. But I am very generous with shower gel. I use way too much. So I don't feel like, if I buy more, especially if it's reasonably priced, or I'm getting something new to show you, I have no problems buying more shower gel. So like I said, this is going to be my use it up bin that's going right in the bathroom. Anything that I buy that's actually new, usually I'll try it, then I bring it back in my filming room so that I can review it for you guys. So the stuff like the strawberry pound cake that I just picked up today, raspberry jam donut, I'll try all these out, but then like I said, they come back in the filming room and they stay like on my shelves for the season. So that's where I store any new stuff I get. So that's kind of the cadence on how I handle my shower gel collection. So here we go. Do I have a shower gel problem or what? I always buy too much shower gel and then I end up with a lot of shower gel. Then I keep buying more shower gel because I have to have the new ones. However, we do use a lot of shower gel in the house. So I'm actually going to create a use it up bin, and then I'm going to sort the rest of my shower gel into these other bins that I purchased at Home Goods. And I'm going to try and do it by season. So I'm going to come over here and just start grabbing. Christmas, cocoa, and mint. Christmas. Endless weekend. We're going to put that in the summer bin. I love these bins for sorting. Spiced gingerbread swirl. How I wish you'd come back. Christmas. We've got fall marshmallow pumpkin latte. That's going to go in my fall bin right here. Coconut pineapple. That is going to be use it up. I want to use this one up. I got this little bin to go in the bathroom. So anything that I actually want to use up, I lost. Oh, there it is. Coconut pineapple. That's going to go in the use it up bin. Lakeside citrus is a fall. Actually, I think I have too many falls, so I'm going to use the bigger bin for fall. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, Christmas cookies. Christmas. What else do we have here? Oh, sea salt and lavender. That is summer. I'm going to do summer and spring. Fresh sparkling snow. That's a really good one. Christmas. Love and sunshine. I would call that summer. I'm going to put that one right there. I have a kaleidoscope. I don't know what season that is. That's going to go in spring. I don't know why. That feels like a Mother's Day scent to me. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin is fall. Bora Bora citrus surf is spring. All the tropical. Christmas cookies. Check that one out. Tahiti Island Dream. I'm going to call this one a summer scent. Hot cocoa and cream, you guys. This is an old one. That's going to go in Christmas. Bahamas. That is definitely a spring scent. Put that right there. I'm probably going to run out of room. Champagne toast. That's Christmas. Check it out. Sweet twisted peppermint. Definitely Christmas. Pink watermelon. Oh, I'm going to put that and use it up. I want to use that one. I like pink watermelon. Frosted coconut snowball. That is Christmas. Sunrise sail. That is going to be summer. Raspberry, black raspberry vanilla. This is like a semi-annual sale. I'm going to put that and use it up. I like the black raspberry vanilla one. Golden sunflower. That's definitely fall. Let's see. Bonfire bash. That is definitely fall. Put that in the fall bin. Plumeria. I would call that summer. Let's see, what else do we have? Country apple. I'm going to call it fall, even though it's kind of a retired fragrance scent. Oh my gosh, look at all the winter candy apple I have. I'm actually going to put one, I got to take the seal off of here, one winter candy apple and use it up. Snowy peach berry is Christmas. Oh, this is an old marshmallow pumpkin latte. That's going to go in fall. I should probably use that one up. Marshmallow pumpkin latte. Ooh, strawberry pound cake. I'm going to use this one up because I want to use the new one. Put that and use it up. Snowy morning. That's always a good one. Strawberry. I'm going to call that summer. It feels like summer to me. Hot cocoa and cream. That's going to go in Christmas. Wild honeysuckle. I'm going to call that summer. How am I doing? Midnight pomegranate. I'm going to use that one up. I don't know where to even put that one. Santa's blueberry shortbread. I should use this to compare with the new raspberry, wild raspberry donut, the jam donut. Vanilla bean Noel. That is Christmas. Coconut lime breeze. I'm going to use that one up. I don't even know where to put it. Whipped almond vanilla. That's definitely fall. Doing good. Look, check it out. We're getting somewhere. Winter candy apple. It doesn't look quite as bad once you put these away. Oh, coconut mint drop. Gotta save that one. Champagne toast. That's Christmas. Christmas, 1,000 Christmas wishes. I'm going to use that one up. I love that one. Look, an old champagne toast. Okay, I'll put that in there. Oh, sweet whiskeys, definitely use it up. I want to use that one. Pretty as a peach. I'm going to call that summer. Hello, beautiful. I don't know what to call Hello, beautiful. I think that's more of a spring one. Capri Coastal Citrus, that's going in summer. French Lavender and Honey, I'm going to call that like a Mother's Day, that's going in spring. Oahu Coconut Sunset, that's definitely spring for me. Another winter candy apple. Oh my goodness, I'm running out of room for Christmas, you guys. Confetti Daydream, that's a Christmas. Well, it came out at Christmas. I don't know if it's a Christmas scent, though. Sensual Amber. I'm going to put that and use it up. I'd like to try that. Snowy Citrus Swirl. I have one of these left. I don't want to use that one yet. Snowy Citrus Swirl. Vanilla Mocha Cafe. That's definitely fall. Winterberry Wonder. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm running out of rum. Frosted Cranberry. That's going to go in fall. Not doing too bad. Coconut Hibiscus is definitely like that spring Mother's Day. Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. I always like to have these on hand. Sometimes I want Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. Fresh Cut Lilacs. That's definitely spring. Oh, I'm doing good. Check it out. Look at this. I've got everything neatly put away. Wild Strawberry. That is summer. Put that one here. You can kind of get a couple more in here if you twist them a little bit. I like them to kind of line up, but if I can't, that's okay. Lavender and Bloom, that is fall. I have a lot of fall ones left. Vanilla Bean Noel, that's use it up. I want to use up my Vanilla Bean Noel. Black Cherry Merlot in the Christmas bottle. Raspberry Tangerine, I'm going to call that summer. I'm doing good. Magic in the air is definitely Christmas. I got to get this in here. Bally Black Coconut Sands. That's definitely spring. Of course, we're probably going to get a lot more of these. Oh my gosh, you guys. Boardwalk Taffy. Do I use it or do I put it away? I'm going to think about that one. Soak in the Sun. That was last spring, basically. Sweater weather. We're going to put this in fall. I'm going to actually make a Christmas row in fall because I'm running out of room. My husband is restoring his Mac. He's got it sitting there. That's what that odd black thing is sitting there. Like, why is his Mac sitting there? Hey, I'm almost done. I'm doing good. I just moved these over. Watermelon lemonade. That's definitely summer. 1 in a million. Oh my gosh, I'm not crazy about this one. That was definitely a spring one. That was way too floral for me, especially in a shower gel. Pink Velvet Cupcake, that's definitely fall. Oahu Coconut Sunset, I'm going to put in spring. Perfect Peony Mother's Day, that's going to go. Got that stuffed in spring. What else do I have? An old winter candy apple. Oh my goodness. I got to figure out where I'm going to put these. Okay, I have an extra row here for Christmas because I got a little disorganized. Gingerbread latte. That is Christmas. Coconut palm. That is, we're going to put that in summer. And then sweater weather is definitely fall. We're going to call vanilla bean. We're going to call that one fall. Pearberry. I don't have any other rum. Oh, there we go. That's going in spring. I guess I have to use up Boardwalk Taffy because I don't have any room for it anymore. That's in use it up. I actually think I did a really good job. Oh my gosh. So it looked like I had way too many shower gels when these were all piled up. But now that I have them organized, it really doesn't look like that many. There's like 6, 12... 18, 24, 25, 6, 17, 31, 32, 34, 5, 6, 8, 41, 44, maybe, we'll say that's like 52, 53, 45, 67, 58, 59, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 67, 68, so about 70, I'm loosely counting here, about 80 shower gels right here, so I don't feel too bad. I was actually thinking, oh my gosh, I have way too many shower gels, maybe I shouldn't buy any more for spring, but now that I've actually stored them and counted them, I don't feel too bad. I know, yes, 80 shower gels is definitely way too many for one person, but we've got 3 people using these shower gels on a regular basis, so I feel like my collection is pretty much under control. I will store these bins that I got at Home Goods on the shelf in my bedroom. You can actually stack these on top of each other, which is nice. And this way your collection is super neat. And then, whatever season I feel like using, I can just grab one. So what I will do is this is going to go into the bathroom, and then when I use one of these and it's empty, then what I'll do is I'll take one of these and replace it, or I'll get a new one like the chocolate covered cherry that I just bought and put it in the bathroom. But I think this is a really good system to do if you're into collecting shower gels or if you have way too many. Put them in bins by season. To say that was really satisfying to do. It felt really good to put everything together by season, and what I did was I put those bins. I have a really nice bookcase in our bedroom that looks like this. It's actually a little bit nicer. I got it at Target. It's white. It almost looks like a shelf at Bath & Body Works, and they look really pretty on the shelf. So as long as everything is neatly stored for me, I'm perfectly happy to add to my collection. And like I said, I was feeling a little bit overwhelmed with my shower gel until I actually sorted it correctly. Now I'm like, you know what? It's not that bad. And I love the idea of the use it up bin and then replacing one out of the use it up bin. And I probably at any given time, we probably have 4 or 5 shower gels in the shower that we're switching off on, because I don't like to use the same scent every day. I like to switch off, which is probably what most people enjoy doing. So like I said, if you're someone who likes to collect shower gel, stock up during semi-annual sale when you can get them for $1.75, $2 if you have a coupon. And then if you have a few extra, it's okay because they're all neatly sorted by season and you can just grab one. Because you know what? Sometimes in the summer, you want to use sweet cinnamon pumpkin, and sometimes in the winter, you want to use boardwalk taffy. That's how I see it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will be back tomorrow with more videos. I don't know. I'm going to review another one of this Bake Shop collection tomorrow. I cannot wait. I'll see you guys then. Bye-bye.